rest from the fight. I need
It's choreographed by Verdonk, Grace David, and Jeff Camps. It is a 64 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance with 3 tags, 1 8-count tag at the end of wall 2 and a 4-count tag at the end of walls 3 and 4. The 4-count tag is just the start of the 8-count tag, so it makes it nice and easy to remember. I'm going to turn around and break down this dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice one wall with steps and counts, talk about those tags and when they happen, and then we're going to dance all 4 walls that will include our tags so that you know where they happen, and then you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Everyone Needs a Hero. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to scuff our right foot forward, and then you're going to step your right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. You're going to swivel your right knee in, lifting that heel up, right knee out, still keeping that heel up. Now we're going to do a kickball cross. So kick that right foot into the diagonal, step your right next to your left, cross your left foot over. We're going to side rock our right foot to the right side and recover. That side rock will make sure that you square completely back up to 12 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts, scuffing out. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to start by crossing our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot back. We're facing 3 o'clock. On the ball of your left foot, you're going to make a half pivot, lifting your right foot slightly up off the ground. So on your left foot, you're going to come up on the ball of that left foot, lift your right foot up, and use that lift as momentum to make your half turn and step down on your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to do a step quarter pivot with our left. Step your left foot forward, make a quarter pivot to come back to 12 o'clock. Weight on your right foot. We're now going to do a cross samba step. Cross your left over your right, and on the ball of your right foot, you're going to rock to the right side, pushing that right hip up and recovering. Let's try that part with some counts. We finished the previous section by rocking to the side. Our weight is on our left foot. You're facing 12. We're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're back at 12 o'clock when you finish that section. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and you're going to make a quarter turn doing a side toe strut with your right. So over your right shoulder, make a quarter, touching your right toe to the side, drop your heel. We're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a full turn. So over our left shoulder, you're going to make a half turn, stepping forward with your left foot. Continuing over your left shoulder, you're going to make another half turn, stepping back with your right foot. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do a coaster step with our left foot. So step your left foot back, right together, left forward. Do 2 walks forward, right and left. Walk, walk. We're now going to do a quarter drag over our left shoulder, making a quarter turn, sliding our right foot to the right side and dragging your left foot into your right. We're going to end this section by doing an 1/8 of a sailor step. So your body will end facing the 10:30 diagonal. So we're going to step our left foot behind our right foot out to the side, making an 1/8 of a turn, and your left foot slightly forward to face the diagonal. Let's try that with some counts. We ended the previous section by finishing our half turn with our weight on our right foot. You're facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do our coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next section, section 5, we're going to do a step half pivot with our right foot. So step your right foot into the diagonal, make a half turn over your left shoulder to face 430. Now we're working the other diagonal. And then we're going to do a half shuffle back. So you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, left foot together, make a quarter turn, stepping back with your right foot. You're now at the 1030 diagonal again. We're going to finish this section by doing 2 walks back and a coaster step. So you're going to walk back left, right, and do a left coaster step, coaster step. Let's try that part with some counts. We finished the previous section by doing our sailor, 1/8 of a turn. Your body is facing 1030, your weight is on your left foot. Step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6, we're going to do a heel grind, 1/8 of a turn to square us up to the front wall. So you're going to tap your right heel forward. You're going to put your weight on it and swing your body around, stepping your left foot to the side, so come to the front, and then step your left foot to the side. We're now going to weave behind side cross, and do a big slide to the left, slide, touch. And we're going to end that section by doing a kickball change, kickball change. So let's try that part with some counts. We finished by doing our coaster into the 1030 diagonal. Your weight's on your left foot. We're doing that heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 7, we're going to do 2 quarter turning Monterey's. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. You're going to bring it in and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. Point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. Now we're going to repeat that. Point your right toe to the side, make a quarter turn to 6 o'clock, putting your weight onto your right foot, point your left foot to the side, and step on it. Let's try that with some counts. We're pointing to the side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're now facing 6 o'clock and we're ready to do our last section of the dance. We're going to rock our right foot into the right diagonal, recover onto your left foot, and do a weave with your right foot behind side cross, behind side cross. We're now going to rock our left foot into the left diagonal, recover onto your right foot, and do a left coaster step back together forward. And then you're ready to start the dance all over or do our tag depending on the wall that we are at. Let's try that last part with some counts. Rocking into the diagonal with our right foot to start. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, coaster 7, and 8. And then you have finished the whole dance. So let's turn around and do that whole 64 counts one time with steps and one time with counts before we discuss what the tags are. Weight starts on your left foot. We're starting with our scuff. Scuff out, out, knee in, knee out. Kick, ball, cross, step, rock, recover. Cross, quarter, half, step, step, quarter, pivot, cross, samba, forward, rock, recover, quarter, side, toe strut, rock, recover, half, half. Coaster step, walk, walk, big slide, quarter turn, enter a sailor step. Step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, walk, back, coaster step, 8th heel grind, side weave, behind side cross, side drag, kick, ball, cross, Monterey, quarter turn, side rock into the diagonal and weave, side rock and coaster step. And that is the whole dance. Let's try it with some counts. Scuffing that foot out. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about our tags. So let's learn the main tag, which is 8 counts. Our 4 count tag is just the first half of our 8 count tag. So it will make it nice and easy. So the tag happens first on wall 2. It's our 8-count tag. You will complete the full 64 counts and then add this on the end. So we're going to do 2 step half pivots starting with our right foot. Step your right foot forward, half pivot, weights on your left foot, and then we're going to repeat that. Step forward, half pivot, weights on your left foot. Now we're going to do a V step, stepping our right foot out to the diagonal, left foot out to the diagonal, right foot in, left foot in, and then you would start the dance all over again. So let's try our tag with some counts. 2 half pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and start the dance all over again. Okay? When we do the wall 3 and the wall 4 tag, it's just going to be those 2 half pivots. So we will dance our front wall, 64 counts. Back wall, 64 counts. When we come to the front, you're going to add that 8-count tag in. Then we'll dance wall 3, 64 counts. Then you'll do your 2 half pivots, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Then you'll dance wall 4, coming back to the front, 2 half pivots, and then you don't have to worry about anything for the rest of the dance. So let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. It's only 2 walls, so we only have to worry about our front and our back wall. So on the front wall, I'm going to do steps, and on the back wall, I will do counts, except for when that tag happens, so you know when to do it. And we'll call out every tag, so you know where they happen to dance them with everybody else. Let's start. Weights on your left foot. We're starting with our right foot. Scuff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Scuff, out, out, knee in, knee out. Kick, ball, cross, rock, recover, cross, quarter, half, step, step, quarter, pivot, cross, samba, rock, recover, side toe strut, rock, recover, half, half, coaster, step, 2 walks, quarter drag, 8th, sailor, step, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back 2 walks in your coaster step, 8th, heel grind, side step, behind side cross, side drag, kickball cross, Monterey quarter turn, side rock into the diagonal, recover, weave, rock, recover, coaster step. Now we're scuffing. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Add your 8-count tag, 2 half pivots, and your V step. Now scuff, out, knee in, knee out. Kick, ball, cross, side rock, recover. Cross, quarterback, half swivel. Step, quarter pivot, cross samba, rock, recover, toe strut, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step. 2 walks, quarter slide, and sailor step. Step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, back and coaster step. Heel grind, quarter turn, side, behind side cross, side drag, kickball cross, Monterey quarter turn, rock into the diagonal and weave, rock into the diagonal and coaster. Add your 4-count tag, 2 half pivots, step, half, scuff, out, knee in, knee out, kickball cross, rock, recover, cross, quarter, half, swivel, step, quarter pivot, cross samba, rock, recover, side toe strut, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, 2 walks, quarter slide, a sailor step, step half, half shuffle, back, back and coaster step, 8th heel grind, side, weave, slide drag, kickball cross, Monterey, rock into the diagonal and weave, rock and coaster step, last tag, 2 half pivots, step, half, and then you would continue the dance, scuff, out, knee in, knee out. And after that, you don't have to worry about any other extra tags or restarts. I hope this helps you learn Everyone Needs a Hero. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.